Start up on the stands. Start his orders. Left inside the stalls, Mossad with 7 of them taken good jump. And among them, Exclusive Art from the outside draw takes the charge. 5 or 3 parts a length and a half clear of Xfinity crossing the 1000 into second. They followed then by Mount Davidson. The one more 2-year-old on the outside is Whiskey Martini, Promise of Happiness close to the fence. Another 2 away, Circe and Royal Pal is last. So take out Mossad, who's been planted, and back to the leader now, and Exclusive Art a distance ahead of Xfinity, followed by Promise of Happiness. One runner hidden up from my view as they cross the 600, and that looks to be Whiskey Martini. Another 4 to 5 lengths behind Royal Pal, making headway, followed by Difflet, then by Circin, and drop back to be last is Mount Davidson. Inside the last 2 furlong, Exclusive Art kicks by about 5-6 to the good of Xfinity, bridging the gap. So to his Promise of Happiness, just niggled. Another 2 away is Whiskey Martini. They followed then by Royal Pal and Circin. Inside the last 200 now, and Exclusive Art kicking clear by about 5-6 to the good of Xfinity. Promise of Happiness now been pushed hard. So too is Mount the Whiskey Martini. But winner is clear. That's Exclusive Art wins it from Whiskey Martini, who launched in the last try to take the runner-up berths from Promise of Happiness and Xfinity, followed by Circe and Royal Pal.